Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akshita, and if you're new here, then let me tell you about my channel. In this channel we talk about beauty, skincare, makeup, lifestyle and everything in general. This video's topic is gonna be manifestation. Mostly सबको पता ही होगा कि what does manifestation mean, but if you still don't know, let me tell you that manifestation is basically something that you visualize. Okay, it may be your goal, it may be something you want to achieve, it may be a habit, and उसके बारे में आप visualize करते हो and you kind of connect it through the universe that you want to achieve it, and then the universe helps you achieve it. Another thing is manifestation को we generally connect through journaling and making vision boards. Now what are these? Journaling is basically जब आप अपना goals, अपने visions, सब कुछ you write it down on a piece of paper or in a journal or a diary basically. And vision board is something जो आप बनाते हो, you make a collage of everything that you are manifesting. Okay, you take out the pictures and you make a collage and put it in a way that you want these things to be achieved. Hope I'm making sense here. So now let me tell you how does my journey of manifestation and journaling began, and what is that one thing that motivated me to keep on going with this. Okay, so it was back in 2023 when I was about to give my 12th boards in March of 2024, and that was the time when I actually started manifesting a lot of new things. Let me tell you what all was there in my vision board that I was able to achieve. So first of all, top on my priority list was my academics, and I manifested to get more than 90% on my boards exam. And then इसके साथ obviously बहुत सारी और भी चीज़ें थी that I wanted to manifest. Of course there was health, because मैं स्कूल में तो बिल्कुल भी ध्यान नहीं देती थी अपने हेल्थ में. I was very unhealthy person, but I wanted to start gymming. I wanted to take care of my health, and I also wanted to start content creation that you can see I'm doing it right now right here. And I am so happy that all of these things that I listed came true. And of course बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें भी थी जो पूरी नहीं हो पाई, but I think it's a process and I don't really mind. धीरे धीरे slow and steady everything would fall into place. So ये सारा manifestation thing I did on a notebook. Okay, मैंने एक बहुत ही simple सा notebook लिया from a store, and उसमें I used to write all my wish list, everything that I want to achieve in 2024. And about the vision board, मैंने कोई भी pictures cut out करके I did not stick on my notebook. मैं just Pinterest पे गई, whatever I wanted या whatever I connected towards, मैंने उसका screenshot लिया, I cropped it, I made a collage of it. मैं ढूंढने का कोशिश करूँगी. If I still have that, I'll pop up a picture of that. And I put that collage as my wallpaper, okay, my lock screen wallpaper, and that's it. Now a little disclaimer, I'm not saying कि आपको hard work नहीं करना पड़ेगा या आपको you don't have to work towards a goal. That's not what I mean by manifestation. But it's just a belief, okay? जैसे आपको भगवान पे भरोसा होता है, वैसे you just have to keep faith. Manifestation is the faith that you keep within you. आप पे भरोसा करना है आपको, and you just have to keep working towards it. But at the same time, there is a leap of faith that stays with you as a motivation. ये आपको motivate करेगा to work towards your goal, and ये आपको याद दिलाएगा कि this is your goal and you can't get distracted. This is something that I believe in. I'm not saying कि आपको भी इस पे believe करना पड़ेगा. If you don't, it's okay, it's your life. Go forward with it, do whatever you want to. But it's just my personal opinion that I want to share it out on the internet. So अब आते हैं in the coming year, what are my plans for 2025? तो 2025 के लिए I have thought of getting a planner for myself. This is the planner by Simba Lifestyle that I thought of getting for myself. ये मैं 2-3 साल से सोच रही थी, but नहीं हो पा रहा था due to some of the other reasons. And this year I really wanted to invest in a planner. So ये Simba Lifestyle का planner है. Simba Lifestyle, if you don't know, is a brand that is owned by Mridul Sharma. She is also a YouTuber, and this is not sponsored by the way. मैंने इसको खुद से खरीदा है. I have paid for it. तो अभी तक वो आया नहीं है, but जैसे ही वो आएगा, if ये वीडियो जाने से पहले it arrives, I'll try to put up a picture or a clip बीच में. So this is what the planner looks like. It's a very pretty powder blue color. I am not disclosing anything जो उसने अभी तक disclose नहीं किया है. Mridul Sharma has already done a flip through video, and I'll link it down below so you can check that out. So there are goal ideas to do in 2025. Then there is passions, core values, top 3 core values that you connect to. There is a period tracker. There is 25 things to do in 2025. This is my favorite one. And then there is 2025 timeline. यहाँ पे आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो अपने हिसाब से, जो भी आपको सही लगता है. एंड एज आई सेड, पीरियड ट्रैकर, साइकिल सिंकिंग के बारे में सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन दिया हुआ है. देन हेयर कम्स जनवरी, एंड एवरी मंथ के साथ देर इज़ लाइक अ song connected to it. There are monthly activities and there is also goal planner, so you can do these activities absolutely. And there are monthly visions also, you can write it down. And there is the monthly spread जो हर दिन के हिसाब से दिया हुआ है. Then there is a habit tracker, there is a workout log that you can use for your workout, there is a meal tracker, and last में monthly reflections also. उसके बाद आपका नॉर्मली नोट्स का पेज एंड टू डू लिस्ट का पेज, एंड देन द नेक्स्ट मंथ स्टार्ट्स. एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्लानर. एक पाउडर ब्लू, पेस्टल ब्लू कलर में है एंड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. जितने भी प्लानर्स मैंने मार्केट में देखे हैं उसमें से दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वन. लाइक बहुत पर्सनलाइज्ड एंड बहुत ही, I don't know, I feel that Mridul Sharma puts a lot of thought into her planners, and I think you should get one if you want to. And as I said, अगर नहीं भी लेना है planner तो भी एक notebook से भी you can manifest. Basically those of you don't know on how to make a vision board, there are two ways, okay? पहला is जो Pinterest है वहाँ पे जाके you just have to keep on scrolling. जो भी picture आपको लगता है कि आपके goal से match करता है, that you want to achieve in 2025 और आपके vibe का है, आपके aesthetic का है, या it excites you, okay? वो आपको कलेक्ट कर लेना है. यू जस्ट टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट एंड उन सबको कलेक्ट करके, सारे पिक्चर्स को कलेक्ट करके यू हैव टू टेक अ प्रिंट आउट ऑफ इट ऑन द सेम साइज, एंड देन उसको अपने हिसाब से कट कर लो, अरेंज कर लो ऑन वट एवर प्लानर और नोटबुक जिसमें आप कर रहे हो, मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो या विजन बोर्ड बना रहे हो, एंड दैट्स इट. देन द सेकेंड वे इज़ कि आपको पहले अपने पॉइंट्स नोट डाउन करने हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल शेयर अप अ क्लिप विथ यू कि मैंने क्या क्या लिखा था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेल्थ, if you want to manifest money in your life, money, then your happiness, balance, academics, whatever it may be, anything, or it can maybe a hobby like dancing, singing, whatever, okay? If you want to manifest a partner in your life, and then once the points are done, okay, if you want a luxurious lifestyle, जो भी है आप एक बार अपना points लिख लो. उसके बाद just keep on searching on Pinterest. उससे related जो भी pictures आएंगे जो आपको लगेगा कि वो match कर रहा है उसके हिसाब से या आपके vibe के हिसाब से, again the same thing, take up screenshots, collect it all, print it on the same size, and then उसको अरेंज करने का कोशिश करो अपने हिसाब से जैसा भी आपको पसंद आता है. एंड दैट्स इट, योर विजन बोर्ड इज़ रेडी. आई होप आई हैव शेयर्ड ऑल द नेसेसरी इन्फॉर्मेशन विथ यू ऑल. जैसे ही मुझे प्लानर रिसीव हो जाता है आई विल फिल इट अप अलॉन्ग विथ यू ऑल एंड मेक माई विजन बोर्ड विथ ऑल ऑफ यू. इट्स माई फर्स्ट टाइम ऑल्सो यूजिंग अ प्लानर, सो आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड. एंड इफ you are interested too, then please subscribe to my channel so that whenever I put up a video you get notified. And that's it for today's video. Hope you all liked it. Bye.